You don't need a team anymore. I fired, replaced my email manager, my video editor, my sales assistant, my researcher, and 5 other roles, all in 30 days. And it cost me $0. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly which 9 AI agents I used, what they do, and which one you should start with today. 6 months ago, I was drowning. Emails at midnight, editing until 2 a.m., chasing leads that went nowhere, editing clips until 2 a.m. Then AI agents happened. Not just chatbots, but autonomous tools that actually do the work. Here's what changed. Agent number 1, Superhuman, shortwave AI. For emailing. My inbox was a war zone. Superhuman's AI now reads, summarizes, and drafts replies to every email. I just approve or edit in 2 seconds, 4 hours a week back in my pocket. Agent number 2, Descript for video editing. I record, upload, and Descript removes filler words, cuts silences, and even removes my ums automatically. What used to take 3 hours now takes 20 minutes. Agent number 3, HubSpot AI. Folks CRM for sales. Folks AI agent researches prospects, writes personalized outreach, and follows up automatically. It's like having a sales rep who never sleeps. Agent number 4, Perplexity AI for research. Every piece of content I create starts with Perplexity. It scrapes the web in real time, cites sources, and gives me a research brief in 60 seconds flat. Agent number 5, Zapier AI, make.com for automation. This one connects everything. New lead fills a form. AI writes a welcome email, adds them to CRM, notifies me on Slack. 0 manual work. Agent number 6, Notion AI for content and docs. Notion AI turns my messy voice notes into polished SOPs, blog posts, and strategy docs. I speak, it writes. Done. Agent number 7, ElevenLabs for voiceover audio. Need a voiceover for a video or podcast clip? ElevenLabs clones my voice and generates audio in seconds. My team used to charge me $80 per script. Agent number 8, Buffer AI, Taplio for social media. Taplio's AI studies my top-performing posts, generates 30 days of LinkedIn content, and schedules everything. My social media manager is officially redundant. Agent number 9, Tidio, Intercom AI for customer support. My Tidio AI agent handles 80% of customer questions 24/7, refunds, FAQs, onboarding, without me touching a single ticket. Now here's the part most people miss. These tools work even better when you chain them. I run Perplexity, Notion AI, Buffer AI as one pipeline. Research, write, publish, 45 minutes total. I'll drop the full workflow in the description below. Here's your challenge. Pick one agent from this list. Use it for 7 days. Then come back and drop your results in the comments below. I read every single one. If you want the full stack I use, including the free tier breakdown and setup guide, it's all linked in the description. And if this saved you even 1 hour this week, smash that like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow. See you in the next one.